It's going to be a crazy day today. It's already started. We have a lot to talk about. We're going to go through the charts. We're going to go through everything. Bitcoin, gold, oil, everything. It's the new month, okay? We're into March. And whatever moves are going to be happening, I think it's going to be a solid liquidity window. So my name is CryptoFace, and I am your friend. So let's get started. First off, it is officially the official month of the Market Cipher bot is complete, and it ended up at 12.4%. About 20 of you guys left, and when you leave, it dings the PNL. Just let you know. But we ended up at 12%, and I'm pretty happy. I'm pretty happy with the results. We had to make a lot of adjustments in the beginning because of the environment. It's meant for multi-trade. We can only single trade. But I think we're going to continue. We're going to continue and bring this thing to market sooner than later. So that's good. Now, taking a look at Bitcoin, I got some mixed feelings. I'm clashing with fundamental and technical. So let's start from the top. Start with the weekly. And indeed, we have a beginning. It's a new week. We are half a day into the new week, and we here indeed have a big boy, BitBoy green dot down here on Market Cipher B. This does not happen often, okay? The last time it happened was on Monday, the 8th, December 25th. And, that was a bottom for a little bit. We go back in history. Last time before that was in July of 2022. This was a bottom. Price was bottomed at 19,000. This was the last time we had a weekly big green dot like this. That's when it went up to 25 grand. Before that was back in 2018. The bottom of, oh my God, that's crazy. And I mean, we can go even further back. Then before that was 2015. This has only happened 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the 6th time that this has ever happened. Let's see here what happens. And it's two of them. Hang on a second here. It's two of them. So when there's two, typically the first one. Okay. So when there's two, damn, and we're on the second one. Shit, man, we might be at a bottom here. But the news and the fundamentals are freaking me out a little bit today. Just because we've never had 3 green dots before doesn't mean it can't happen. But we're at the McCluskey clusters, and as I kind of zoom in here, the 12-hour money flow coming up, momentum is tightening up, and these RSIs do seem to be gaining strength. They're looking a little better. The 6-hour RSIs also looking prettier than they have been before. We have a little fight right here. This is weekend. It's the weekend right now. We're going to see what happens coming in here. The stock market overall today is supposed to be down if you look at the standard stuff, most of the stuff. But I tell you, let me show you guys something. So these are my top positions on E-Trade and on my other accounts as well. IAU, gold, energy, SoFi short, oil, gold, SoFi short, gold, oil, and death to SoFi. The Emperor sent SoFi here to die. Whoa, boy, we're going to beat. Let me show you something here. Okay, gold's at 5,400. Let's take a look here. Pre-market. IAUs. Ooh, baby, it's going to be good. We were bullish on gold. We said gold is going to continue up, and it has. We were right about that. Go to XLE. XLE. Where? What? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is a beginning 5%. This is going to be huge. This is going to be huge. This puppy is on fire. This puppy is on fire. SoFi. The Emperor sent SoFi here to die. And even look at that. The pre-market, it's dying. It's dying. It's going to be a good day today for all of you and all of us who are in these positions. Now, let's go back to crypto. We're heading into, the beginning of the week and the beginning of the month. It's a little iffy. I want to be bullish. I would like to be bullish. I'd like to be bullish, but I think we still have room for violence. We still have room for violence. Okay? Yeah. We have room for violence. But I think, let's see here. How much time is this? 8 days, okay, a week. Yeah, man. I mean, look at that weekly. We got the weekly green dots. But you know what? This momentum is still deep, thick. RSIs are still red down. We do have VWAP oscillation coming up slightly inwardly curved, but it is coming up. And last time, the last VWAP oscillation was inwardly curved. And again, that was a bottom. We kind of have a yellow trigger wave, its own trigger wave here. So I think this is a bottom. I don't know about the bottom. Probably not. But an A bottom could just mean sideways. Maybe it goes sideways and up a little bit. And that's it. So the other time frames, I mean, the daily, this doesn't look good. This does not look bullish. The daily doesn't look bullish at all. It looks like shit. Deep momentum is deep to the downside. Look how much momentum is on the downside. These RSIs are low. Granted, this one's flipping green, but the scoring is low. It's down here at 17. They are entangled. Let's go to the 12-hour. 12-hour, it's like, okay, well, these RSIs are starting to fight up. We see the stochastic fighting up. We see, the greens kind of just hanging there, but we want these to be tight together. Volatility's coming back. Look at these moves, man. Look at these moves. And if you've been trading, the Bitcoin and crypto, you know what's been going on, and you know what it's been like. On these lower time frames, what I'm saying? What is this, a 4-hour? I mean, it's thin money flow. Look at this money flow. You scrunch it. Money flow is increasing. Money flow is increasing to the upside. Momentum is still down. And then the rest is pretty much chop. We really don't need to look at, these time frames. So yeah, I am bullish on the overall price. But it's volatility. And so we are going to be trading ranges, long and bottoms, maybe short and tops, maybe, we're letting the trades come to us. It's been nasty volatility and spiky, even just this weekend. I mean, if you've traded it, if you've kept around the price, you know how it's been. So, let's see. Let's go. Ethereum on the weekly. Big green dot. Last time we had a green dot like that was on April 21st. Woo, that was a nice bottom right there. Damn, this looks pretty good. Okay, what about this one? Ooh, that was a nice bottom. Look at that. Hang on. Man, Ethereum, the Ethereum green dot. The Ethereum green dot. But we're not done yet. We got to see what's going on in the past here. Because in a bear market, when price is coming down, man, it can print a lot of these. This is a big time frame. Okay, what about this one? This one That was a nice little bottom. Look at that. What about this one? This one. This was a bottom as well. I mean, price came up right there. Boom. Came up good. I don't look like much on the weekly, but that's 60%. We're on a logarithmic chart. This was a 60% gain. Now, what about this one? This is a little sketch. This one. Oops. Okay. Here. Okay, so here. You know what I'm saying? There was one candle. And this was on the way down. So the question is this what the current indications look like? Do we compare and contrast? When you compare and contrast, what is similar, if it's similar at all? You be the judge. You be the judge. Obviously, the money flow isn't coming down this thick. You know, the RSIs are pretty much at the same level. The momentum is similar, you know, pretty much the same level. Yeah. Huh. I tell you what, though. If, let's say, this does turn out to be like this one, and it does, then we can pretty much surely bet that the next one is going to be a doozy. Maybe. We'll see if we get there. So I'm a little conflicted. I'm conflicted because when we, for you know, if you go to CNBC, you see that all the stocks, you know, everything's down. Here, let's see here. Ooh, oh, I'm blind myself here. Hang on. It's, dark mode. Okay. You know, the war and missiles and, oh, you know, the stock market's going to go down because of that. But this might be a fake out, dude. This might be a pre-market fake out. When these markets open, this shit might just turn right around. I smell something. I don't know. But it's you know, are we here to gamble? Are we here to gamble? No. If you have not watched the Options 101 video, and I'm telling you, the stock market moves, instead of this Bitcoin and crypto shit where it's just going wham, 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 going crazy, 100 different moves a day. You know, in the stock market, it's like the move is the move for that day. Maybe there's two moves. Maybe, you know, it goes up, it starts up today, and then it goes back down, and that's it. And then the day's over. You can rest. You can enjoy your life. And you can still make those gains, those 100, 200, 300,000, 1 to 2,000% gains. I am. You just have to jump in, and there's no other good videos out there. There's really not. No one explains it simply. They try to make it sound complicated. It's not. Once you get it, it's like riding a bike. Yeah, man. Is that pretty? What else? Let's take a look here. Let's take a look here. Yeah, dude. You know, I want too long. I want too long right now. But I know that it's nasty. The 2 hours before the market open, especially, are nasty. But no matter what happens today, the violence, either way, I do believe liquidity is on the way, and we should have some fun, big moves to hit. The BitFunded link in the description. Listen, oh yeah, that's right. I am approved. I passed both my evaluations. I have $200,000 accounts. One of them, I've been trading on one of them. It's up like $1,100. I'm going to run that bitch up But I've also been trading with my own real damn money, you know what I'm saying, for much bigger positions. But it's buy one, get one of the same step. A new little offer below. You know, now more than ever, the Chinese are pouring into my inbox. Every exchange is trying to talk to your boy. Everyone's trying to work on something. I have been building and working my ass off. Not only with the Market Cipher, but some other shit too. So, you know, I've been working. But yeah, I'm bullish. I feel like I'm macro, you know, macro. I'm macro bullish on where Bitcoin currently is. I do believe this is a bottom. We could see some decent little upside. But it's not always a smooth ride. This ain't a smooth ride time. Okay, this is wham, 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 wham. So just be prepared. Peace.